Yeah, people, you don't know. RVM, the voice of the Gryzzly we're representing. So, that one you know. Great news. Yeah, Byron Messia. You know that youth there. You sing the big bad song, Taliban. You know what I mean? Was in a serious car accident. You know what I mean? Serious car accident. You know what I mean? International dancer sensation. You see me I say? Big bad artist. You see me I say? Give thanks for another chance of life. You see me I say? After nearly escaping a serious injury this morning. You see it? Yeah man, this morning go on my people. You know what I mean? Yeah, in a major car accident. You see me I say in a St. Mary there. You see it? Yeah man, the Taliban singer BMW was being driven by a member of his entourage. You see me I say when it horrifically overturned and rolled down a precipice. You see me causing serious injury to both passengers. You see me I say plus the artist who in the vehicle. You see me so them hospitalized. You see me I say and you don't know big top artists. You see me I say yeah, friend them, you know what I mean? Speedy recovery. Everybody, speedy recovery. You see it? So, my people, some of them right around the brink, right around there. So I beg on to take on the time drive on the road. You see me I say, my artists, them taking the time drive on the road. Even under the influence, you see me I say, if you drink, don't drive. Yeah? If you're part of bridging and I'm going to drive, make sure you say, I'm not drink neither. You see me I say, because that intoxicated something there and driving no work. So I say my people, yeah, so speedy recovery my artists. Yeah man, come forward, you know what I mean? Yeah, so the artists I make you know say I give thanks to life. You see me I say another chance, you see me I say another opportunity for greatness. You see me I say, and with great move come obstacles. So the artists don't acknowledge say, you know what I mean, I put in the work. And you see me I say, upon the journey and upon the whole movement, yeah, obstacles that gonna arise. So I wanna challenge this. You see me I say, you don't know people, the artist has been enjoying global success with his smash hit. You see me I say Taliban tearing up the international chart. You see me? Byron Messia currently in Jamaica and a promotion, you see me? Yeah people, and as I can see the car total, you see me I say, and that foot there right there, so I know say the artist. I know the artist that, you see me I say. Yeah, but them not showing face, you see me I say. But look on the car people, car mash up, bad. Give thanks to life. Look on inside that vehicle and the artist survive, you see me I say. Yeah man, have a black revenge more time when them go up on the road, you see it. Yeah my people, we have to make you know what going on, and if you're fresh over here so, if you're new over here so, yeah, subscribe, press the RVM bell. Yeah, if you get the latest update, latest feed, you don't know, at the World Media, RVM, Reggae Vibes Media. You see me? My artist, speedy recovery. Remember, we have the code, you know. Yeah, man, we have the code. Dream Weekend. My artist, speedy recovery. Dream Weekend are forward, you know. We have the code, you know. See code there. Yeah, man, get with the something, the early bird, something. You know what I mean? Reggae Vibes Media, I promote that something there from early. Remember, June, you know. Yeah, man, so now have enough time. So book your spot, reserve your space, book your room. Yeah, right there, so. And remember, put in a prayer for the artist. Is it? Reggae Vibes Media, our world.